Hi, welcome to the Global Markets Advisor today. Today we want to look at the topic of what are some of the challenges of doing business outside of your home market. We all know that there's challenges when you're doing business at home, but we also know that there's going to be a lot of potential challenges and problems in trying to go to new markets, especially the high growth markets or brick economies. So what I've done is compile a very short video that's going to talk to you about the top 15 challenges in doing business outside of one's home market. It's a very broad topic, but I think something you might be interested in. Globalization, we find in today's economy, brings both challenges and opportunities for small to medium-sized businesses of all sizes, and for those who are aspiring global entrepreneurs. That's why executives today must be armed with important and intelligent information and strategic direction, as well as the challenges that exist in doing business globally. So here's a summary of challenges that businesses have faced in doing business abroad. As you can see, many of these challenges are equally found in one's home market as well. And that's my important point. Number one, economic conditions within the new market. Number two, there's currency risks and fluctuations. Three, there's competition, not only from other developed nations coming in, but especially from within the domestic companies. Number four, there's the management of financial risks. Number five, there's government regulation issues and legal compliance. Six is finding the right partner for either a joint venture or a strategic alliance. Seven, ascertaining the intelligence needed in order to make proper decision making. Eight, the due diligence associated with the new expansion opportunities. 9, the operational issues, distribution, and infrastructure. 10, economic conditions back on your home base, in your home market, i.e. what we've experienced in the United States and other developed countries in the last couple of years. Number 11, tax issues and compliance. 12, the management of intellectual property issues. 13, the access to capital and financing. 14, fraud prevention and compliance. And 15, managing with cultural and language differences. And as you can see, out of all 15 of those, most of them apply to doing business anywhere in the world. The tip from the experience says this: know thy market and don't be arrogant. Many times us who have been succeeding in high growth in developed economies, and we think, oh, we'll go into these poor nations and we'll grab up a bunch of market share, we'll throw a bunch of money at it, and our key personnel will make it happen, and before you know it, we've hit new sales, new business valuations, and we're all happy. That's arrogance. So know your market, do everything, your due diligence, your market research, have correct entry strategy, and don't be arrogant. So, in this period of economic uncertainty that we've all been facing, it's more important than ever. My advice to you is that businesses, whatever your country of origin, is that you need to raise your game to stay ahead of the competition and increase your bottom line and guarantee your future. Globalizing your business and talents and products or services could be the answer that I believe you could be looking for. Harness the Global Market Advisor's website, our expertise, lots of free downloads, lots of videos, lots of help. But we're also here to help small to medium-sized businesses and innovators, entrepreneurs to reach their potential and to help you spot and make the most of the opportunities that are existing in high growth markets. We can offer you strategic and impartial advice, guidance on business plans, market and country research, and introduction to key contacts. We help you to overcome the barriers to doing new overseas business and enable you to improve your business performance. So is there something that you do or that you sell that can appeal to these high growth markets? If so, why not be in touch today to explore? You know, there's good, sound, and economic evidence that states that firms secure the most value as they enter into high growth markets at an early stage. So don't let the grass grow under your feet any longer. Start by familiarizing yourself with these countries. Read a book, take a holiday, vacation, search the internet, but saturate yourself with everything you can, find everything you can in order to find out about the new economic powerhouses and how you can get your business ready for international expansion. So have you developed a BRIC strategy, referring to Brazil, Russia, India, or China? Or have you perhaps dipped your toe into the water somewhere else already? I encourage you to continue to investigate your opportunity in the globalized world today. One way you can do that is by tapping into everything I said in terms of the Global Markets Advisors website. Another thing that we do offer is the opportunity for you to join one of our Market Opportunity Masterclasses. This is where we spend a half day to a full day analyzing the markets as they exist today and the opportunities that are existing within this space. You can register your interest on the site. But before I conclude, within these masterclasses, what we seek to uncover are the following. How do you get started? What should you do to research first? Which market is the best fit for you? What do you need? What do you need to do these things? What are your options? And what skills and knowledge will you need to develop to be successful? Again, find the information on the website, globalmarketsadvisor.com, and join us, register your interest, and join us for one of these masterclasses, and let us help you and enable you to take your business and your future to a global stage. Thanks for joining.